Hi, it's David.Rosen, and today we're going to talk about the most valuable tool I've used in buying and selling homes, the open house. More millionaires are made through real estate through any other means. My name's David.Rosen, and I'm one of the top 100 real estate brokers in New York City. This is my video blog. Every single week, I do at least one open house, and sometimes I do 2, 3, or 4. Being a team leader, I have multiple agents working for me, and so that exponentially develops. And most of the business that we've gotten has come from meeting strangers at these open houses. When they come into my open house, they can tell that, I'm a professional real estate agent who's done an excellent job at positioning the real estate they're looking at. So today I want to share with you some tips of how to do a great open house so people will immediately recognize you as the authority on all matters related to real estate. Number 1, I always have music. And I'll tell you the playlist I use. I'm on Spotify and I use Hotel Costas. The reason I use that playlist is it's because one of the top real estate agents in the world who works at my company, Douglas Elliman, and is Swedish and is on TV, his business partner uses that same playlist, Hotel Costas on Spotify. Number 2, the temperature. If it's summertime, I want you to have it really well air conditioned, and if it's wintertime, I want it to be warm. They should walk in and feel comfortable, and you know what comfortable feels like. Number 3, fact sheets. So you have to have fact sheets. Most times when you come to an open house and the person says, oh, we just ran out, unless there's 30 people there at that moment, you probably think that person is not organized. And that translates. Maybe that means that they're soft on their list price. In fact, that's exactly what you think. So you have to have fact sheets. Now, we don't just have fact sheets. We also have a buyer's guide, a seller's guide, our listing statistics, and what's called a social proof. It's a list with images of the properties we've sold in the last season. Usually, we've averaged 100 sales a year, so it's going to be like 20 pictures of properties that we've sold all over New York City, which is cool. It establishes us as someone who knows what we're talking about. And last but not least, sign-ins. When I do an open house, people don't sign in with pen. Why? Well, because let me tell you, I've tried to translate a lot of those chicken scratch phone numbers, and it's not fun. But in addition to that, what if someone doesn't leave their phone number? Well, then everyone sees that that person didn't leave their phone number, and then they follow suit. So nobody leaves their phone number. When you're representing a seller, it's incumbent on you to gather the information, including the email address and phone number, because your ability to follow up with people is going to lead to a higher sales price. That's a fact. Thanks. If you have any questions about how to conduct a perfect open house, please reach out to me, David.Rosen. You can email me, call me, or message me on social media. I'll be quick to respond. Thanks.